Am I the only one that didn't know these game-changing habits? Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about morning routines. Imagine waking up early, enjoying the world before it gets busy. Kickstart your day with a glass of water and a good stretch. Feels amazing, right? Next, self-care isn't just pampering, it's essential. Develop a skincare routine that works for you. And don't forget your mind. Even 10 minutes of meditation can work wonders. Living a healthy lifestyle is key. Munch on fruits, veggies, and whole grains. Ditch the sugary drinks. Find an exercise you love, be it yoga, running, or dancing. Personal growth should always be on your radar. Read daily, books, articles, even podcasts. And set goals, both big and small. They keep you motivated and focused. Lastly, surround yourself with positive vibes. Quality trumps quantity in friendships. Seek out mentors. They can offer invaluable advice. There you have it. Simple habits for a fabulous you. Like, comment, and subscribe if you found this helpful. Share your own tips below. Stay fabulous.